Hi, and in this video, we will learn how to start creating or uploading files to your Google Drive. In our last video, we learned how to log into Drive and an overview of the sections. If you're not sure how to get to Google Drive's main page, I suggest you watch that video first. Let's begin by heading over to Google Drive's main page. One of the first things you will notice is the big blue button that says New. Let's click on it now. You're going to see it has a lot of options. Here we can upload files and folders that we may have on our computers or create new files and folders directly on Drive. So let's create a new folder. This is useful to organize your files. For example, we could create a folder for our personal files and another one for our work files. Let's create one now for our personal files. As you see, the folders get created on top. I'm going to create another one for my work files. In order to go into a folder, you just double click. Next, we want to fill this folder. And this can be done by either uploading files we already have or by creating new ones. So let's upload files we have on our computer. This can be done by dragging and dropping those files if you have them handy, or by right-clicking on the menu and then hitting Upload Files. In my case, I'm going to try to upload 3 different types of files. A doc file, a picture, a JPEG, and an HTML document. Let's select all 3 of them and hit Open. As you see, a little status window appears and shows us which files have already been uploaded and which ones are pending. Once that is complete, you will see your files here. Next, let's try to create a new file. We go to the big blue button, we click on New, and we see we have different types of files we can create. Google Docs, which is a document editor, Google Sheets, which is a spreadsheet, and Google Slides, which is a presentation. There are also many other formats we could create, and with the connected apps, there are many more. We're going to see these in detail in future videos. Let's just create a Google Docs. We click on that, and we're going to see how to use templates in future videos as well. Let's just save this as my first doc. Click anywhere else, and you see all changes are already saved. We close this window, and we have my first doc right here. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe so you can see the following videos. Thank you.